My name is Edward Agarwal, and today I was just playing with this Ferris wheel that I made from magnetic building tiles. Now you can see how it is rotating. Yeah, it's so cool, isn't it? Well, we are going to learn how to make this as well. So, today we are going to learn about magnetic building blocks. Building tiles. So now let me show you the pieces. Well, you have these square shaped pieces which have 4 magnets on each edge. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there are 2 colors. You can have there are different colors like yellow. For me, my set, there is pink and yellow. There must be some other color combination in your set. And blue and turquoise. Then I have purple and green, and also you have many more combinations like these. Then you have purple and orange. Yes, purple and orange, and many more. Now there are a lot of these squares, and they have magnets on each edge. These magnets connect each block, each tile, because of the magnets. When 2 of these magnets come to each other, they attract. No matter which magnet I'm choosing, even from this side, same. Now it won't go on a corner. It would fall apart. This is because the magnetic tiles are here, not on the corners. So the corner have no magnetic tiles, and it will soon not be connected. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. So now there are also these triangular pieces that come in different shapes and colors. Not shapes, colors. Like yellow and pink, same combinations as the square ones, orange and I want to show you this, orange and purple, and also the blue and turquoise, yellow and pink, green. Yeah, so there are many more combinations of like these. Next, let me first break. Next, we have these number and alphabet tiles. For example, here on this Ferris wheel, I have the alphabets and numbers. Let's start from A. Here, A, B, L. I don't know why L has come. 6, E, K. And I bet it like A, B, C, D, E, F. Now, but that has been a bit it has been a bit broken, so I added some of these. Yeah, and you also have these pentagons, which have hexagon. There are in my game there are 2 hexagons, and you have also got this rod, which you can connect through the hexagon's holes. Now you also have these Y-shaped pieces which you connect on this purple base. And you also have these 2 wheel pieces, and you also have some wheels. And in the number tiles, you don't have only alphabets and numbers. You have signs as well, like division sign, into sign, and many more signs. So today we are going to make 2 things. First, we are going to make that Ferris wheel, and the second thing I'm going to tell you. So first, let's make that Ferris wheel. So for this, you need the purple base. On this, you need to attach these 2 white pieces. They're transparent. Yeah. You have to attach it here, not here, because it won't fit. So you have to put, like this. Now there you can attach these because there are 3 spaces here, and there are 3 spaces in this as well. So I got the small parts will go in these two, and the big part will go in this. Let's put it in. Yeah. Now you need to get your hexagons and put it. Don't join it. Put it here, like this. First, you need your rod. Now insert it like this, and make the rod rest here. And before putting it on the next Y, you have to put it again like this. So basically, you need to press it and put it a bit here. Yeah, like this. Now there's a bit problem. You know what's the problem? These are too far. Now how to fix that? You're gonna fix that by putting this here. We're gonna fix that by putting this here and putting this like this. Now it's a bit more closer together. Yep. You're gonna put this first now. Now we need to attach these square tiles on both the magnets. You have to do this until you reach back again here. So let me do it. And you have to choose different colors. It's not that necessary, but for this video I'm just gonna use different colors. Next, let's use turquoise, the opposite of the blue one. Now let's put purple. And finally we'll take yellow. Where is it? Have you seen yellow? There. Let me put it here. Yeah. Now our Ferris wheel is complete, but it has a bit, and it is a bit kind of looking broken. So I'm just gonna fix that by assembling the pieces more tightly. Like here, it is a bit. It's not attaching to this, so we are gonna put this like this. Exactly. In other sets, we just stack up things and just put it like this. But in this set, we use magnets to do all the job. Now let's put some decorations. You know how. Now first we'll do it by alphabets. And I have games which you can play. Let's say. Okay, let's start from G, H, I, J, K, L. There are 6 spaces in total. So let's start from G. Let me find G. G must be a J. G. We'll start from this blue block. Let me just assemble it betterly. Yeah, perfect. Now let me put. So I'll remove this because I want to put a G block. And I'll remove this as well so that it doesn't take too much problem to pull that out. I'm gonna assemble the G part back again and look for H. I don't think so I have H out, so I will search in here. Now I'll choose it. Yeah, I found it. So simple that was. Let me take out yellow now and put in back green or the H block. Yeah, now for yellow, what was it? I. And I must be in here. Yeah, I found it. And let's now get this turquoise and put the I here. I, J. J now. Yeah, J. Here it is. Oh, turquoise. Right. Let's put it back again. Now let's put the purple. So purple we choose J K. K. K here. And put here. Solid. Now I need to put this out. Yeah, perfect. Now K L. L. The L will be the end. Ha ha ha. L will be the end. Division F. What a put L? 6. Can you see L? Yeah, found it. It's right. It was right here. Yeah. Perfect. We have our own Ferris wheel. And for some, you can put some Lego pieces in it. And I shall tell you how to play a game with it. Let me first fix this. And also, I need to show you the second one. Okay, I'll do that in the next video. Okay. Now I'll show you how to play the game. You need to put 4 Lego pieces and you need to rotate this. Yeah. Now you can see it and slowly when it comes. And now, for example, if one of the pieces break while doing this, like if one of the letters go away or the pieces go away, take another piece, like any one you'll want. Now, what was after I, J, K, L, M? So now take M and put it after G. Then like if H was gone, so you can put M then. And similarly, then do this. Now you can put this. Yeah. So this is the end of today's video. And the game ends when there are no Lego pieces left. Yeah. So these two have been broken. Oh, this was I actually. This was a Roman number. Okay, M has been broken. So N will come in replacement. And as for I, O. So M-O and I-N. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and share this video with your friends and family. And if you want to see more of my videos, all you have to do is click on that red button with a subscribe word written on it. Until the next video,